Hey guys, welcome back to Grunt Nation. Today I will be swapping out my pistol grip on my AR-15. I decided to go with the Magpul MOE pistol grip. And so let's get started. So first you want to make sure your rifle's unloaded. There's no round in the chamber. And then you want to take a flathead screwdriver and start unscrewing. Now when you take this off, there's going to be a small spring that sometimes wants to pop out. So you gotta watch, oh, not there yet. Make sure it doesn't go flying. This little spring right there. And let's get the new one. Here's the new one. Screw will be inside there. So what you want to do is place that spring right in that hole. Put it right back where it fits. And then you want to put this screw all the way inside. Put this cover back on. There's a little bit of room in there, so you could use it for extra storage. Some people use it for like a one extra round for emergency purposes, or like a quick cloth for cleaning outdoors or whatever. And then there you go. It's a pretty nice little grip. I think it feels pretty good. There's not a lot of texture on it, as you can see. It just plasticky, whatever. There's some grips in the front and in the back. It's almost like a sticky, rubbery feel. But yeah, I think it's pretty nice. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this content, please subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And thank you for watching.